Okay, sufficient brightness. Chalo, let's start with problem number 8. Say line AB and line CD are parallel. Okay, clarity मध्ये काहीतरी issue आहे. Just a minute, I have to wipe the lens. Okay, थांब जरा lens wipe करू दे. I hope it's clear now. क्या brightness का issue होता है, कभी कभी क्या issue होता है. Okay, चलो ठीक है. Now excuse me for if the camera goes here and there, because explaining a confusing sums and holding the camera at the same time is really impossible for me or for anyone. Okay, then too I'll try to explain it in the most simple form, as simple as I can. Chalo, line AB and line CD are parallel to each other, and this is PS is a transversal. Okay, PS is a transversal which intersects AB at Q and CD at R. Now they say that this is a ray. Okay, ray QX is the bisector, angle bisector. Ray QY is an angle bisector. Ray RX is an angle bisector, and also ray RY is an angle bisector. Okay, so now this is the kind of problem we have already, all parameters of the problem we know now. So what we have to prove is, we have to prove quadrilateral QXRY is a rectangle. So for proving this to be a rectangle, first we have to prove all the four angles of the quadrilateral are 90 degree. Okay, so let's start from here. Angle AQ, taking this, first of all parallel line. Okay, AB and CD is a parallel line, and this is a transversal we have. Okay, interior angle. So instead of we don't have measurements, so before going for interior angles, what we do is we consider this angle AQR. AQR is equal to angle AQX plus XQR. Why? Definition of an angle bisector. So let this measurement of this angle be X and X. Why? Because this is an angle bisector. It cuts the angle into two equal half. Okay, similarly we have this ray is an angle bisector. We'll put this as Y and Y here. Okay, this is Y and Y, this is Z and Z. Okay, as per the guide, this is Z and Z. So let's follow the guide method, because the solution anyways you are going to copy from the guide itself. Okay, and similarly this is also an angle bisector which divides the angle into two equal half, WW. So now we have WW, XX, YY, ZZ. Okay, they are angle bisector. Now take the scenario AB is parallel to CD and PS is the transversal. So we have angle AQR plus angle CRQ or QRC is equal to 180 degree. Interior angle, this angle is 2x, this angle is 2y. So we have 2x plus 2y is equal to 180 degree. Dividing the whole equation both sides with 2, we get x plus y is equal to 90 degree. Okay, now similarly, now here you are getting x plus y is 90 degree. Simultaneously you will get w plus z. Similarly we have to write, similarly we can get w plus z is equal to 90 degree. सॉल्व करायला बसायचं नाही आहे, नाहीतर 4 पेजेस भरून होईल हा सोल्यूशन. ओके, द सोल्यूशन विल गो राइट अप टू 4 फुल स्केल. So here we are not going to write all the solutions and solve it. We will say how we derive this. X plus y is equal to 90. Similarly we can get z plus w is equal to 90. Okay, now we have angle AQX plus angle XQB is equal to 180 degree. Angles in a linear pair. Then we have 2x plus 2z is equal to 180 degree. Barobar. So then again dividing the equation by 2, we get x plus z is equal to 90 degree. Similarly we can get here also angles in a linear pair, w plus 2w plus 2y is equal to 180 degree. Dividing by 2 we get w plus y is 90 degree. Okay, now we have proved that x plus z, this angle is 90 degree we got, and this angle is 90 degree we already got. Okay, now two angles 90 degree is already obtained. So we have to prove now this particular angle x and angle y, we have to prove 90 degree. How can we prove? Come to triangle. In triangle XQR, say this particular angle plus x plus y is equal to 180 degree. बरोबर? Why? Sum of all angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Correct? हाँ या नहीं? This first angle plus second angle plus third angle is equal to 180 degree, but we already have x plus y is equal to 90 degree. Therefore this angle will be 180 minus 90, that is 90 degree. मिल गया? Similarly we can do here also. In triangle QRY we have z plus w, we already have found this. W plus z is 180 degree. बरोबर? इंटिरियर अँगल टेस्टमध्ये केलं होतं. 2z प्लस 2w इज इक्वल टू 180 डिवाइड केल्यानंतर z प्लस w 90 मिळालेला. सो हियर ऑल्सो z प्लस w इज 90. सो द थर्ड अँगल विल बी 90 डिग्री ओनली. 180 minus 90. So now we are having this angle 90 degree, this angle 90 degree, this angle 90 degree, and this angle also 90 degree. Okay, we have proved all the four angles as 90 degree. So as per the definition of a rectangle, a quadrilateral which has all the four angles 90 degree is called rectangle. Okay, समझ में आया? Hence we have proved that quadrilateral QXRY is a rectangle. Easy है, simple है. Okay, आता एक्सप्लेनेशन मध्ये तुम्हाला सिंपल वाटतं आहे. I'll repeat it for you. Okay, we start from this angle AQR घ्यायचं आहे पहिले. Okay, this angle QX is a bisector, so we have mentioned this as XX. Okay, definition of angle bisector. Similarly this ray is bisector, so we have this as ZZ. We have ray RX is a bisector, we have YY. We have RY as a bisector, we put it as WW. Okay, I have not taken it x का x, y का y, ऐसा क्यों नहीं लिया ये मत सोचो, because गाइड में जैसा दिया है we have stick to that particular naming. Okay, now we are having this angle is 2x and this angle is 2y. Taking into consideration parallel line and a transversal, we have sum of interior angle is equal to 2x plus 2y is equal to 180 degree. So therefore dividing by 2 we get x plus y is equal to 90 degree. Okay, similarly in this particular case here z 2z plus 2w is equal to 180 degree. So dividing by 2 we get w plus z is 180 degree, sorry 90 degree. This will be your statement second. Okay, दो जगह मिल गया अपने को 90 90 x plus y and w plus z 90 90 degree. Now go for angles in a linear pair. Okay, angles in a linear pair we have angle AQX plus XQB is equal to 2x plus 2z, that is 180 degree angles in a linear pair. Dividing by 2 we get x plus z is equal to 90 degree. X plus z is 90 degree. So this one we already have 90 degree. This is x and z. So this angle we got 90 degree. Okay, similarly we can get here w plus y as 90 degree. कैसा मिलेगा? एंगल्स इन अ लिनियर पेयर घेतलं वरती, इथे पण एंगल्स इन अ लिनियर पेयर 2y plus 2w is equal to 180 degree. Therefore divide by 2 y plus w is 90 degree. So this is 90 degree. दोन एंगल 90 degree झाले आपले. Now to get this x and y as 90 degree we have to shift to the triangle thing. XQR in triangle XQR, angle x plus angle q plus angle r is equal to 180 degree. That is angle x plus x and y is 180 degree. X plus y is already statement 1 we have 90 degree. So 180 minus 90 you get the measurement of angle x is 90 degree. एक मिल गया. Similarly इथे जायचं in triangle QRY. W angle y plus W plus z is 180 degree. So W plus z is already 90 degree. We have our statement second from statement 2. Okay. So angle y is equal to 180 minus 90 degree, that is 90 degree. So we got x as 90 degree, y as 90 degree, and we already have angle q as 90 degree and r as 90 degree. So all four angles are 90 degree. Hence the given quadrilateral QXRY is a rectangle. Okay, बहुत सिंपल है. फोटोग्राफ पाठवणार आहे मी. या पर्टिक्युलर प्रॉब्लेमचे 2-3 फोटोग्राफ असणार आहे. ओके, इट्स अ लॉंग प्रॉब्लेम बट गाईडमध्ये खूप शॉर्टकटमध्ये दिलं आहे. सो फॉलो दॅट ओनली. ओके, चलो, pretty long video, let's end it here. The lesson number 2 is over. This was the last sums and it is over. Okay.